Lord Sri Rama. We will commence today, continue story of Sri Rama again. Last time we had seen that Sita is abducted. We had stopped there. Ravana Bandhu, he sends, we have discussed that Shurpanakhi, she approaches Rama. She finds him very handsome. She wants to get married to him. And Rama understands and he directs her towards Lakshmana. Lakshmana knows that this is Demonis and he will cut off her ears and nose. That's how she becomes Shurpanakha. And then she goes back to Ravana and tells him she now wants to take a revenge on Sri Rama and Lakshmana. So she goes and tells Ravana that there's a very beautiful lady. Node illa anta surasundari alidalali in this Aranya, Dandakaranya. Why don't you go and marry her? And Ravana is known womanizer. Ravana, on the reputation, he's a very big womanizer. The minute he hears about this, now he wants to get hold of this lady. So Ravana Maricha, avana tamma, avನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, you go and mesmerize as a deer. So that once she becomes hypnotized with that, Rama and Lakshmana will move out of that hut, and I can go and easily capture, I can abduct her ಅಂತ, ಅವಳ ಕಿಡ್ನಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ. ಅವಾಗ Maricha initially refuses, but then finally he decides, my death is certain. Anyway, let me die in the hands of Rama. Because these bad thoughts, dushtriರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, demons, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ. They know that they are committing a mistake. Just like Duryodhana, ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡೋರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ that they are committing a mistake, but they cannot help it. And that ಒಂಥರ ಅದು ಸ್ವಭಾವ, ಗುಣ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ ಅದು. They cannot control, so they continue to keep doing sins, ಪಾಪ ಕರ್ಮಗಳು, torture ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ. Internally they know that something is telling them, but they cannot give up. Finally end stage ಬಂದಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ, at least ರಾಮನ್ ಕೈಲಾರ ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂತ Maricha will agree, and he goes in the form of a deer. And so we know how Sita becomes drawn towards that extraordinary deer, very beautiful, so beautiful. Andre she cannot be prevented. Ashtu mayavi, andre even the negative qualities can be very, very, very powerful. One must be very much aware. Sita is a very pure, pure, highly sattvic lady, but when some extraordinary demoniac qualities, asuri bhava bandaga, that becomes very powerful, and Sita cannot resist that Maya. It comes in the form of Maya. This is a very great learning for us, actually. Before going into the depth of why Ramayana happened, on the face of it, we must understand that many times we get drawn, we get attracted, especially the worldly things. They present to us in a very pleasant and very attractive, so attractive that you cannot resist. But it is only to end up in a trap. We get trapped in that, similar to what happened with Sita. So Sita was drawn to that deer. She says, I need it. ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಂದ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿ ರಾಮಾಯಣದಲ್ಲಿ. I need that deer. Why I need that deer? I can take it home. ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಮದರ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾಗ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೋಡಿ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತೀವಿ. She explains, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಮ್, you just don't say no, please go and get that. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತು ನನಗಿದು ಮಾಯಾವಿ, ಇದು ಇಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಸಮ್ ಡೆಮಾನ್, ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಡ್ರಾನ್. ನೋ, ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ. ಈವನ್ ರಾಮ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೆಸ್ಮರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸೀತಾ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ರಾಮ ಸೇಸ್, ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ನೌ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೀತಾ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಅಂತ ರಾಮ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಾಗ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್ ದಿಸ್. ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಡೀಪ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಡಿಯರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕೀಪ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೇರ್ ಅದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಯಾ in that mesmerizing this one, it screams ಸೀತೆ ಅಂತದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವಾಗ ಸೀತಾ becomes she goes into a panic and she says, Lakshmana, go and fetch Ram is in danger. It is Ram's voice, ಅದು ರಾಮನ್ ಧ್ವನಿಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡಿರ್ತದೆ. Then Lakshmana goes after Lakshmana first initially refuses. I have been given responsibility. I will not go. And as I told you, that she tells him, ನೀನ್ ಗೊತ್ತು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ, because you ಇಷ್ಟ್ರ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅವ್ಳು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸಿ ಹೌ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡೆಪಿಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ದ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಮನ್ಸಾಗ ಆಸೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ವೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಡಿಸೈರ್, if something comes on the way, you become angry, and so much of anger that you don't know what you are speaking. The so-called Sita, Pavitra Sita, ಇವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಪವಿತ್ರಮಯನೇ, she is ಪವಿತ್ರ only, holy. Still she uses abusive words at Lakshmana. Abusive ಅಂದ್ರೆ she says, Lakshmana, you may be eyeing at me. ನನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೀಯಾ ನೀನು ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟಿಗೆ. You have come along with Rama without your wife because you have a bad eye. You are looking at me in a different angle. You want to have me, and that's why you are okay to let Rama go. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಗೊತ್ತು, ನಿನ್ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಸೀತೆ. ರಾಮ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೋ ಅಗಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, he cannot believe that ಅವಳು ಸೀತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಾಡೆಸ್, ರಾಮ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಗಾಡ್, ಸೀತಾ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು he adores her like literally as a ದೇವಿ. how can she talk like this? Why did she talk like? But ಅವನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. It is an unconditional respect, unconditional love, that it doesn't get wavered by her words. So nevertheless he expresses, I didn't expect this, Atige, from you, Bhabhi. I never thought, I have never seen you with that angle. You are always my goddess. My brother is a god, you are my goddess. And ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗದೇನೆ, I have, because of that I have accompanied you to the forest. So if you are thinking that this is, you want me to go and save him, I will do it, but I'm sure it is not so. You will be in danger ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, he will pray the gods and goddesses, other ದೇವತೆಗಳನ್ನ he will invoke, all these Indra, Varuna, Mitra, all those people, and he will say, please take care of Sita ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Some texts say Lakshman Rekha, but Valmiki Ramayana doesn't mention of Lakshman Rekha. And then he goes in search of that, in search of Rama. Illi Ravana takes the advantage and he comes in the form of a Rushi, ascetic, and then Bhavati Bhiksham Dehi antane. And adu Lakshman Rekha cross ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದೇನಿಲ್ಲ. You are so beautiful, why are you suffering here, who asked you to come here, hange hinge ಹೇಳಿ he will mesmerize again, and she develops a kind of, she feels that he is a very, that's also Maya only. See, ಆಸೆಗಳು ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ everything gets trapped like that. Without our knowledge, she would have repented so much because she stayed there for one complete year. This happens in the 14th year. Avaga, then she, by the time she talks to him and all, he will immediately ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವಳು ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನ್ ಗರುಡ ವಾಹನ. Avaga, as he is flying, Jatayu observes, and Jatayu comes and tries to prick him. It tries its level best. Jatayu would have become Rama's friend in the forest only. They would have become so close friends that he wants to do something, Jatayu, to Rama. So ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು he pricks him. ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆಲ್ಲ drops of blood, no, they will guide them actually towards the southern region, because they have to come to Sri Lanka. ರಾಮ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಜಟಾಯು, ರಾಮ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೀತಾ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ಲು ಸೀತೆ ಸೀತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ he will start screaming. Then on the way he finds Jatayu. Then Jatayu narrates the whole story. So here we must understand that the language spoken, the birds could communicate in the same language. That is what the commentators say, because even the army is made of monkeys. How did the monkeys speak? Anta. So there's a description for that the commentators have given. So Jatayu will guide them. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋತು ಅಂತ. ಅವಾಗ they will start going, and on the way he will meet two important people. ಒಂದು ಕಬಂಗ ಅಂತ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಳು ಇವಳು ಯಾರೋ ಕಬಂದ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಳು ಶಬರಿ. Very important. Shabari will become she is a very, very famous character in Ramayana. Shabari is she would have become widow, and she belongs to those days Shudra community, lower caste ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, working class ಅನ್ಬೋದು. We will not call them as backward or something. Working, she belongs to that community. But she is a saint, and whole Ramayana, entire Vedanta, Sanatana Dharma, puts her at a very, very high platform. So that itself says anybody is eligible, whoever has a pure mind. So ಅವಳು Shabari, she will be meditating, and she will approach one Rishi for getting her ಇದು ಏನು ದೀಕ್ಷೆ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿ she will learn. ಅವಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಸಮಾಧಿ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಗುರು. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇವಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಆಸ್ ಇವಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಯು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಟ್ ಲಿಬರೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಋಷಿ ಸೇಸ್ ಇಸ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೆಡಿಟೇಟ್ ಆನ್ ರಾಮ, ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಅವ್ನು ಬರೋವರೆಗೂ ನೀನ್ ಜೀವಂತ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಡೂ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಟು ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ರಾಮ, ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಲಿಬರೇಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಶಿ ಕೀಪ್ಸ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಟಿಂಗ್, ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಲೇಡಿ, ವೆರಿ ಓಲ್ಡ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ರಾಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಇವನು ಇವತ್ತು ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ನಾಳೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಶಿ ವೇಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಚ್ ಅ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್. And during her waiting period, and this is what I should say, interpretation, or we must infer that if we really want God, we have to wait for very long time, and he could come at any time. Anytime he can come. So ಅವಳು ಅಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಕಾಯ್ತಾಳಂತೆ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಶಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕೀಪ್ ದೋಸ್ ಬೆರೀಸ್, ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಿಡದಾಗಿಂದು ತಂದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಡಿಕ್ಟರಿ ಇದೆ, ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಾದರ್. ಅವಳು either it is good or not ಅಂತ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, she will taste it and then she will keep it, she will dry and keep. ಬಟ್ ಬನ್ನಂಜೆ ಗೋವಿಂದಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಆತರ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡ್ರೈ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾಳೆ ಅವಳು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಸೇ, I have not read actual Valmiki Ramayana about Shabari, so I have read few parts today for today's session, so I don't know, I will come back to this authentically. But ಅವರು ಒರಿಜಿನಲಿ ಕೋಟ್ ಮಾಡೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಆತರ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಶಬರಿ ಎಂಜಲು ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಲು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇವ್ರು ಹೇಳೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಎನಿವೇಸ್, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಶಿ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ, ಶಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ದೇವ್ರ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ, ಇಫ್ ಭಕ್ತ ಡಿವೋಟಿ, ಇಫ್ ಅ ಡಿವೋಟಿ ಇಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಕೀನ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಗಾಡ್, then he should not give up hope. I mean, seeing God comes when your mind is purified, and when you find peace, when your mind is purified, when you accept everything around what is happening as his prasad, or accept complete surrender. And then one stage we reach, a devotee reaches, when nothing is important to me as much as God. Like Sri Ramakrishna, many people, one of them Sri Ram, ನನಗೆ ದೇವ್ರ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಇರು ಬೇಡವೇ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತಂದ. ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಕನಕದಾಸರನ್ರಿ, ಕಬೀರ್ ದಾಸನ್ರಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಇವರು ಆಲ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಸೇಂಟ್ಸ್, ಪುರಂದ್ರದಾಸರು, ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್, ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಚೆನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಅಕ್ಕ ಮಹಾದೇವಿ, ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಗಾಡ್, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಕ್ರೇವಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಗಾಡ್, ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸೈರ್, ಕ್ರೇವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಯು. ಶ್ರೀರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅಂತೂ ಅಳ್ತಿದ್ರು, ತಲೆ ಹೊಡ್ಕೋತಿದ್ರು, ವೈ ಐ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಸಿ ಯು. ಅವತಾರ ಪುರುಷರು, ಬಟ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಭಕ್ತಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಶಬರಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್. Every day she will wait, and she waited like that for hundreds of years, it seems. She became very old. Those days they used to, Ramachandra also 13,000 years, more than that he has ruled. So she waited, and one day she will see her Rama, Lakshmana coming on the way, without Sita of course. And ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಂದು, oh my God, Ram has come ಅಂತ ಕುಣಿದಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವಳು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ, she will welcome him, she will worship him, she will respect him. ಅಂತ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರ್ ಧಾರಾಕಾರವಾಗಿ ಸುರಿತಾ ಇರ್ತದಂತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ all her years of penance have materialized ಅಂತ. ಬಂದು she will see him, and then she will offer those dry fruits which she has kept, she's been keeping for years together. ರಾಮ ಬಂದು ತಿಂತಾನಂತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ he objects, it seems, ಬೇಡ, ಅದು ಹಳೇದಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ he says no. ಅವಾಗ commentators say, anybody who give me with lot of bhakti, ಅದು ವಿಷ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ತಿನ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ, ಪತ್ರಂ ಪುಷ್ಪಂ ಫಲಂ ತೋಯಂ ಯೋಮೇ ಭಕ್ತ್ಯಾ ಪ್ರಯಚ್ಛತಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರ ಭಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ, ಈವನ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೀಫ್, ಪುಷ್ಪ, ಹೂವ, ಎಲೆ, ಹಣ್ಣು, ಫಲಂ ತೋಯಮ ನೀರು, ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಗಿವ್ ವಿತ್ ಡಿವೋಷನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅಂತ ಶಬರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಶ್ಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆನಂದ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಡ ಅವಳಿಗೆ. ಶಿ ನೋಸ್ ರಾಮ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಾರ್ನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಷ್ಣು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ ಎಪಿಸೋಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ದೇ ಸೇ, ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಹಿ ಬ್ಲೆಸಸ್ ಹರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಹಿ ಸೇಸ್ ಮೈ ಸೀತಾ ಇಸ್ ಅಬ್ಡಕ್ಟೆಡ್, ಕಿಡ್ನಾಪ್ಡ್. ಅವಾಗ ಶಬರಿ ಸೇಸ್, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗು, ಕಿಷ್ಕಿಂಧ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಗ್ರೀವ ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ರು ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, ಯು ಗೋ ದೇರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಸುಗ್ರೀವ, ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಗೋಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಗೋ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಸ್ ದೇ ಸಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಫುಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಂಕೀಸ್. ಸೊ ದ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ದೇ ಸಿ, ದೇ ರನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಸುಗ್ರೀವ. ಸುಗ್ರೀವ is staying in the heart of that forest. ಅವಾಗ ಸುಗ್ರೀವ್ ಯಾರೋ ಬಂದಾರ, ಎತ್ರನವರು, ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸಮ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್, ಬಿಗ್, ಆಳವಾದವರು. ಸೊ somebody who is not native of this forest, some aliens have come ಅಂತ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸುಗ್ರೀವ is a ವಾನರ who has had fight with ವಾಲಿ, his brother. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಲಿ would have taken his wife and he would have deprived his property and he is enjoying life, and Wali has taken his wife and he has his wife and many other wives. So ಸುಗ್ರೀವ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೋಡಿ ಇವ್ರು ವಾಲಿ ಕಳ್ಸಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇವ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಇದಕ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವರು ಅಂತ, ಹಿ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಕೇರ್ಡ್. ದೆನ್ ಹಿ ಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ಹನುಮಂತ, ನೀನು ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡು, ಯಾರು ಏನು ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆ. ಅವನು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಮ್ ಆನ್ ದ behest of killing me only. Wali has told them, so we have to go and attack them, be ready ಅಂತ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಹನುಮಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಹಂಗೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಪರ್ಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಕಂಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಾಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ದೆಮ್ ಅಂತ ಸುಗ್ರೀವ ಸೇಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ದೆಮ್, ಕೇಳೋರು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದ್ರು, ಏನು ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಒಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಏನು, ವೇರ್ ಆರ್ ದೇ ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹನುಮಾನ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಹನುಮಾನ್ ಬಂದು ಮೊದಲು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎನ್ಕೌಂಟರ್ ವಿತ್ ಮಂಕೀಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಕೀಪ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀಮಿಂಗ್, ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ವಿತ್ ರಾಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ. ದೆನ್ ದೇ ಆಲ್ ರಿಸೀಡ್. ನೌ ಹನುಮಾನ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್. ಹನುಮಂತ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸುಂದರಕಾಂಡ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಫುಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಹನುಮಂತಂದ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್. ಹನುಮಾನ್ ಬರ್ತಾನಂತೆ. he comes with so much of humility, and at this stage they have not described that he is his bhakta. I think after a few this thing it comes. ಅವನು ಬೆಂಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ನೀವು ಮಹಾನುಭಾವರು, you appear to be of such great stature, it appears that you are new to our place. Tell us, sir, in what way we can help you anta. He speaks with humility, he speaks with confidence, he speaks with a lot of bravery. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ರಾಮಾಯಣದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ he is a great valor, but he is not seen as a monkey ಅಂತ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಓದಿದ್ದು. Takes another form as ascetic and goes there. Later he shows his real ಇದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಮ ಅಂತ ಇಂಥ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ we saw all uncivilized monkeys. They came and they almost treated us like foreigners and attacking us. They were scared of us. First time I have seen somebody coming like this. He is not ascetic also, pretends to be, but the way he speaks, his grammar, his civilization, his culture and his humility speaks very high of this man. ಯಾರಿರೋನು ಅಂತ ಅವಾಗ ಅವನು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ, ನಾನು ಹನುಮಂತ ಅಂತ, ವಾಯುಪುತ್ರ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ. ದೆನ್ ಹಿ ಸೇಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಸುಗ್ರೀವ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಸುಗ್ರೀವನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. he's what I should say, he's staying here as in isolation because his brother has sent him out of the kingdom ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ದೆನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ he takes him to ಸುಗ್ರೀವ್ಗೆ ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದೆನ್ ರಾಮ ಸೇಸ್, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈ ವೈಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬ್ಡಕ್ಟೆಡ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸುಗ್ರೀವ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡತಿನೂ ಕಿಡ್ನಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ವಾಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಿಡ್ನಾಪ್ಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಈಸ್ ವಾಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಿಡ್ನಾಪ್ಡ್ ಸುಗ್ರೀವ್ಸ್ ವೈಫ್ and Ravana has kidnapped Rama's wife. But the best part is Vali and Ravana are thick friends ante. ಸೋ ಥಿಕ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ರಾವಣ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಲಿ. ರಾವಣ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ he would have come to different states, no? In that southern state from Sri Lanka he has come. There he encounters Wali, and Ravana has got a boon from Brahma that you will be killed not by humans, not by you may be killed by humans or animals, not by devadevatas ಅಂತ he would have got a ಇದು ಬೂನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಲಿ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮಂಕಿ, ನೋ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ he would have defeated ರಾವಣ. ಒಂದ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, I'll just connect to the charger. Give me 1 minute, ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So he so Wali, then Ravana and Wali become pals, and they say ನಿನ್ ತಂಟೆಗೆ ನಾನ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ ತಂಟೆಗೆ ನೀನ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅನ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಶೇರ್ ಅವರ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ದಿಸ್, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಶೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಾವಣನ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್, ವಾಲಿ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜಬಲ್. ದಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ಸ್ ವೈವ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಹೆಂಡಂದ್ರು ನೀನ್ ಯುವರ್ ವೈಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ವೈಫ್, ಮೈ ವೈಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ವೈಫ್. ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ರಾಮಾಯಣದ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌ ಕೃಷ್ಣ is born to kill all those asuras, Rama was born to kill Vali as well as Ravana, because Rama knows about all this. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ Vali is a very notorious fellow. Now coming to this situation, ಸುಗ್ರೀವ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ವಾಲಿ ಹಿಂಗಾಯ್ತು, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡತಿನ ಕತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ, ರಾಜ್ಯ ಕತ್ಕೊಂಡ ಹೆಂಡತಿನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ರಾಮ್ says I will help you. Sugriv says I'll also help you to get your Sita, and I have seen him abducting, and Sita has dropped some jewelry. I will come and show you ಅಂತ. Sita would have dropped her ಅದು ದುಪ್ಪಟ್ಟ ಒಳಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಸುತ್ತಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿರ್ತದೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವೆನ್ Sita leaves for exile, Ram, Lakshman, everybody, they take out their jewelry, ornaments ಎಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಸೀತಾನಿಗೆ ಕಳ್ಸಿರ್ತಾನೆ ದಶರಥ. ಸೀತಾ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಹರ್ ಜುವೆಲ್ರಿ. ಅವಳ ಜುವೆಲ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೊಂಡೇ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾಳಂತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ಬಟ್ಟೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾಳೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಹರ್ ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಸುಗ್ರೀವಂಗ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ತಂದು ರಾಮನೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ, ನೋಡು ಇದು ಸೀತೆಂದೇನು ಅಂತ. ರಾಮ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ ನೋಡು ಸೀತೆನ ಅಂತ. Lakshmana says, never I have seen her jewelry, jhumka and all, no. I have only seen her toe rings ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನಂತೆ ಪಾಪ. Because Lakshman adores, and he has not observed in that way. So Ram becomes very, internet, I mean, sorry, the this one went off in between. So ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, then Vali is bad, he has to be killed, and Ravana is also equally bad, and fortunately we both of us have got the same goal ಅಂತ ಅವರು they actually that friendship between Sugriv and Ram is given agreement ಆದಂಗೆ. ಅದು ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದ್ರ ಸುತ್ತು ತಿರುಗಿ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಸಮಕ್ಷ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅವರ್ ದಿಸ್ pact between two friends anta heli. Then they become very thick friends and they will start planning. He says, I will send my monkeys and all. So Ram heltana, before that I will release you from your wife from Vali anta heli call Vali anta. Sugriv Vali vadhe ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ Ram. He kills Vali. Actually it will be done by a kind of, it's not cheating, but in disguise. He will ask him to call Vali. Both are lookalikes. And then we know the story of how Rama kills Vali, because Sugrivange kurulal mali hakolik ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Otherwise, how do I know? So he hides and he kills. Sugriv and Vali will be fighting, and then Rama sees that during their fight, Vali doesn't come to know that Ram is behind this. Sugriv calls him, ba, ಯುದ್ಧ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಬಾ ಅಂತ. ಇವರು ಲಿಟಲ್ ಅಪ್ರೆಹೆನ್ಷನ್ಲೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು. ಬಟ್ there's another story how his wife will agree and all. I mean, how his wife will convince him not to go, actually, because this doesn't seem to be normal. There seems to be some trick. Sumne iddonu, how suddenly he has called you. Somebody must have come. I have heard that Ram Lakshman have come, so don't go ಅಂತ ತಾರಾ ಅವಳ ಹೆಸರು. ಅವಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, Vali's wife's name is Tara Mandodari is Ravana's wife. So a lot of commentators have told ಈ ಹೆಂಡಂದ್ರಿಗೆ they have become so famous because they have been advising their husbands to bring them on the right path. They never said, that was of course Treta Yuga, ಇಂಥವನ್ ಜೋಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಇರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇವತ್ತು we justify, because ದುಷ್ಟರ ಜೋಡಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. That is also correct. Those days the sanctity of marriage was so much antadre that separation and going out was not there. They lived with them, they survived, they tolerated, and they, in spite of that, they used to do so many wrong things, but still they did not give up their duty to correct their husbands also. So Tara ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ನೀನು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ, ಇದು ಸರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಏನೋ ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ, because she wants to protect her husband. But somehow Vali senses, he says, okay, ಅವನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ರಾಮ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ರಾಮನ ಕೈಲಿ ಸಾಯ್ತೀನಿ ಬಿಡು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ವಿನ್ ದ ಶೋ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ದೆನ್ ಹಿ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕಿಲ್ಡ್, ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಹಿ ಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ರಾಮ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮೀ ಬೈ ಡಿಸೀಟ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ, ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಸೀಟ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು kill you, I have come to punish you for the wrong things that you did. Punishmentally there is no standard procedures. Punishment is when somebody decides to punish in the rightmost way for the right reasons. Punishment is given in the way the punisher decides. You cannot, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ rules or regulations ಯುದ್ಧದ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. You are not my equal, so I had come to punish you ಅಂತ. But he agrees and he surrenders and he thanks him and he dies. Then Ram will rescue all his wives, and then Sugriv gets back his wife. Sugriv also marries Vali's wife. That was allowed those days, Dharmad Prakara. And then they live happily. Now they start marching towards the Sri Lanka, towards southern region where Ravana is there. So Hanuman is given the response. Hanuman first hogi, he has to understand ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಸೀತೆ ಅಂತ ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ he goes to Sri Lanka. And then he as we know, lots to be told when we start actually taking sessions about that. Hanuman was bestowed with some special blessing wherein he's over energetic, over potential and tremendous. We know that he had gone to sun, adella stories ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, until somebody tells him you have potential, he cannot realize ante. But when somebody says you are capable ಅಂದಾಗ he becomes like, he goes out of the way, and then that's how he flies to Sri Lanka. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ, how does he fly? Not with this ಈ ಬಾಡಿ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಬಾಡಿಯಿಂದ ಫ್ಲೈ ಅಲ್ಲಂತೆ. He becomes huge, so that the distance becomes very less for him, because he assumes a huge form. Then he lands there. The minute he lands there, again he miniaturizes himself. And then he sits on the tree where Ashokavanak ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. Then he meets Sita. And ಸೀತಾ ಸೀತಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವಳಿಗೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವನು ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ he will drop that finger ring of Rama. The minute she sees that, she knows somebody is there ಅಂತ. Then he comes down because he plans, suddenly ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ರಾಮನ ದೂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So he comes there and then he goes down and he tells all about this. ಅವಳು ಅಳ್ತಾಳೆ, you know this story. And then he will he says, I will take you ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೀತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ಸಿ ರಾಮ ಇಲ್ದಾಗ ರಾವಣ ಸೀತೆನ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ, ಮತ್ತೆ ರಾವಣ ಇಲ್ದಾಗ when Ravana is not there, you are taking me to Rama. I don't want this. I want him to come and face this and then take me. She tells him. And then he says, fine. And then Lilla Buttadella will not get into too much of detail. And so he goes back and then he burns Lanka also. Then he gives a trailer that end of Ravana is nearby. Then once he goes back, they all come with full battle. And Rama comes and he kills, Ravanana. The minute he sees him, Ravana comes with the Vanara Sainya. They build a bridge on this Indian Ocean, and through that all the monkeys. The monkeys antandre, they are Devadevatas who have assumed the form of monkeys. They have come along with Rama Avatara because Ravana had that blessing that he will not be killed by animals, he will not be killed by humans. So they assume the form of monkeys and they are born on this earth. They all become very, very capable and full of energy, full of all powers, and then given by Rama only, because extreme faith in Rama gives them that energy. And then they fight, and then they ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಾವಣನ್ನ ಸಾಯಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು then they come back, they kill him, and Rama puts Vibhishana as the king of Sri Lanka, and then they all come back to Ayodhya. ಅಯೋಧ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ 14 years ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ they are coming back to Ayodhya. What a great reception. Everybody, they very, very grand reception because 14 years they have not seen. And Rama's presence itself, the vibrations of the quantum, what we say, ಅದೇ because ಅವತಾರ ಪುರುಷ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಫುಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ವಿಜೃಂಭಣೆಯಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾರಂತೆ. ಭರತ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನಂದ್ರೆ, ಭರತಂದು you know that story, Bharata will be ruling kingdom, but he will not be on the throne. He will be sleeping on the floor with just like how Ram Lakshmana are staying in the forest. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅವನು ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೀ ಹಣ್ಣು ಹಂಪಲ ತಿಂದು he'll be living life of an ascetic all these 14 years. The minute he comes to know Ram and Lakshman have arrived, then ಪಾದುಕ ತಗೊಂಡು this one slippers ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. And then he comes to receive Ram, and ಅವನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇವನು ಶತ್ರುಘ್ನ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. Lakshmana and Ram are there. Bharat and Shatrughna, now they come to welcome him and they all receive him. He goes back and then he occupies the now coronation after the Ramandu as per the thing. Of course, by then Dasharatha is no more. We have seen that. And nicely they stay there and they rule. Amele, you know very well that once they our ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ the guru he distributes all the land to different priests. Land ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಾನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನಂತೆ. Just he will distribute what little he keeps and everything he gives, but the priests will say no, it's not for us, it's for you ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ರಾಮನಿಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ವಿಜೃಂಭಣೆಯಿಂದ ಒಂದು coronation will take place in a great pace. Then what happens is, all whatever we have told you, whatever we have discussed, then what happens is Rama, when he goes incognito, all of you know this story, but we have to discuss this also as a part of his this one. So Rama, he is moving around incognito, andre in disguise. He will be moving around to understand about his functioning. ಈ ರಾಮ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it will be as good as Kruta Yuga. The Kruta Yuga was before this. Before his yuga was Kruta Yuga. This is Treta Yuga. Only when the ruler is following dharma, when the ruler is following all principles as mentioned in the scriptures, and he is very happy, going, that's big sacrifice we can learn from Rama's character is the way he went following his father's respecting his father's promise which he had done to Kaikeyi's father, that Kaikeyi's son will be the king. ಅದೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಡೀ ರಾಮಾಯಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏಕಪತ್ನಿ ವ್ರತ and dharma, he stood for dharma. But throughout life he suffered. The biggest thing is throughout life he suffered, and in spite of that he never regretted, he never showed that. He ruled with a lot of joy. And what they say is that was ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಮ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಟ್ರೂತ್ಫುಲ್. ಈಗ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಲೀಡರ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಪ್ರಜೆ. ರಾಜ ಇದ್ದಂಗ್ ಯಥಾ ರಾಜ ತಥಾ ಪ್ರಜಾ, ಹಂಗೆ ಅವನು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ he was like that. So I told in the last time also, if we want things to be fine under our leadership at home, we are leaders, no, as mothers or as women. So if we want, that's today also I was discussing with my daughter also, when we want something to be done, we should be 10 times, we should be doing that in the magnitude of 10 times. ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಒಟ್ಟು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು, because they learn by observation. So Rama ruled like that. ಅವನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ, all ideals you could find in Rama, all ideals. He was a king, he showed his bravery, he showed where he has to kill, he has killed unnecessarily, he has not killed, and he has followed dharma and purity at its peak. It was very very highly pure soul. So ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವನು ಬಂದಾಗ all the entire kingdom used to follow him. ನೋಡು ರಾಮ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ನೋಡು ಅವ್ರ ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ನೋಡು ಅವ್ರ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ. That was what happening. But by this commentators will tell us when we come to Ramayana, but most unfortunate was, in spite of following all this, when he goes in disguise, somebody ade gottala, some washerman agasa, he will be telling his wife, don't tell me I am not Rama, who can keep his wife in spite of being kidnapped by another person. ಅವಳು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಳೋ ಏನೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆದ್ರೂನು ಸೇರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. don't think I am Rama ಅಂತ he'll be scolding his wife. ಇದು ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದಂತೆ. It's not only that Rama hears, it gets spread. Do you know ಹೌದಾ Rama, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ, all these days we didn't think about it. How did he allow? ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಹೋಗಿದ್ಲಂತೆ, ಏನೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲಂತೆ. So the Rama Rajya which was existing started slowly declining because of such things. The gossips and criticisms have been there from time immemorial. Whatever happens now happened there also. So he hears that. Now he knows Sita is very pure. He would have already conducted an Agni Pariksha, it seems. That is not mentioned here. In Ramayana it is. He knows it. How does he prove that to the people? If he says that I have conducted Agni Pariksha, I know she is pure, will they accept? No. So now he assumes the position, or his thought process will be more Allah, king. He is first a king. It's not right. What this thing it is, lesson or role model for any leadership. When you have assumed the leadership position, being the king or the prime minister or the chief minister, that comes first. Then comes his family, because he is answerable to millions of people. Then he is answerable to his wife. He cannot say my family life, and therefore this is a great lesson actually. So when he hears that, he comes and he tells Lakshmana that Sita Novi, you have to leave her in. This is the only way I can convince my citizens. So very debatable topic, whether what he did was right or wrong. But he also does right. How he does right, Andre? When she leaves, she is pregnant. So he says, go to go and leave her in the forest ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೀವ್ ಹರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ, ರಾಮ ಸೀತೆಯನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ, ತ್ಯಾಜ್ಯ. ಹಿ ಹಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ he valued democracy. He valued democracy and he believed citizens' voice should be heard. I am ready to sacrifice. At the same time, he also performed the perfect role of husband and father. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ she will be carrying, he tells Lakshmana, you take her to Valmiki's ashram and drop her outside and don't wait there. You just come back. Let Valmiki see her and take her inside. Valmiki should not know that you have gone and dropped her. You should be hiding. You should not go and introduce Nodri Sitan Tandiv Korpon Bridgen. That will speak again bad. So, in the eyes of the public, Sita was dropped in the forest by Lakshmana. But actually, he would have ensured the safety of his wife. No doubt, see, being king in that position, they had come to perform such great uh, action. Avatar, the objective was very high. So the entire family had to pay a price for that, starting from Ram. Sita also had to pay. She went to the forest. She stayed there. Her parents saw, looking at the daughter, ಎಂತ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರಾಯಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ಜೀವಧನುಷ್ ಮುರ್ದವನ್ ರಾಜನಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವಳನ್ನ ಭಿಕಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ಇವರು ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಕ್ರಿಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. And Lakshmana went. Lakshman's wife did not crib. Only people who cribbed was Kaushalya to some extent and Dasharatha. They cried. And Kaikeyi repented. Sumitra also felt bad. Everybody. But who actually gave all these people gave a price. But Ram, Sita, Lakshman, Bharat's wife, Urmila also, Lakshman's wife, everybody paid a price. All those 4 brothers and their wives. So now Sita, ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪಾಪ ಬಂದ್ಲು. ಅದೊಂದು ಸಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ, 14 ವರ್ಷ ವನವಾಸದಿಂದ ಪಾಪ ಬಂದ್ಲು. She had to go back to the forest again. There is another hidden story in that. Who went to Ravana? It was not actually Sita anta ide. We will discuss that later. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ Lakshmana drops Sita at the outside near Valmiki's ashram. ಅವಳು ಹಾಗೇ ನಿಂತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಸೀತೆಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. When she's standing there, Valmiki comes out and sees, this lady standing outside, ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಾಮ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ she delivers twins, Lava and Kusha. Lava and Kusha. These are 2 parts of the grass ante. Kusha is a grass. The tip of that is called Lava and the bottom portion is called Kusha. So like that, these twins are named and they are born there. Avaganu, he would have sent Shatrughna. When the children are born, he goes and stays in a neighboring this thing. He would harta irtarante Ramayanana after they are born also. So just to find out how they are, they will be singing entire Rama story. Shatrughna would have gone with his army, few soldiers, stayed in a place very close to Valmiki ashram. They hear this full song and the soldiers will ask ante, ಏನು ಇದು ರಾಜರೇ, who are these guys, what are they singing? Hey, I don't know, in ashram no so many people are born, let's go anta. He would have sent Shatrughna to find out the how the children are, how are they progressing. So Rama performs perfect role of the king on one side, of the father on the other side. The only thing is physically they are not in contact. Neither he can see Lava and Kusha, nor they could see their father. Later they will see. We'll see that later. And he could not see Sita. Throughout he'll be crying in that separation. Viraha. He'll be missing her terribly. And he cannot cry as a king. So he goes to the nearby gardens where Sita would be roaming. Wherever Sita's gardens were there, wherever she would, mix with those deers and all that nearby. After he'll go there, hold those animals, rabbits, plants, and he cries his heart out. And Bananjay Govindacharya, they say you feel so sad to read those verses. Andre, he tells something. in this, I am meant to sacrifice. I am meant not to enjoy. My life is only to sacrifice. My life is only to, face these problems and suffer. Actually, as you suffer, word suffer. But I was meant for that, because through this suffering, it is benefiting the entire mankind. And therefore, today also, we take the reference, or Rama's life is a big standard. Actually, I am a Krishna devotee, and I keep reading about Krishna. Raman ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೆ, but ಇಷ್ಟು deep ಆಗಿ I had not. Every action of these characters gives us a great message, and particularly Ram and Hanuman. ಹನುಮಂತಂದಂತೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಹನುಮಾನ್ ಚಾಲಿಸಾ does miracles. All of us know that, because Hanumantandu vibrations, they say they still persist, and it is a very good channel for us to reach the superconscious or Ram. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ pull is there, pull towards the highest. That's why it's become popular. One more thing is, I had shared this in the group. Indian Journal of Psychiatry has published one paper by a foreign author that Hanuman is respected, is considered to be the god in every street of India. You see Hanuman's photos or Hanuman's ideals or Hanuman temple somewhere within 2-3 kilometers. You will find Hanuman temple irtade, photo irtade, poster adru irtade. So Hanuman, though he appears like that, the picture itself will instill that kind of confidence and assurance. Confidence and assurance in somebody that you cannot. So this is very much similar to, we had discussed, as Rama is his devotee. And Krishna and Rama in Bhagavad Gita also, in Bhagavad also, they say, the devotees are as important as me, myself. They are as good as me, because I have blessed them. Now, Ram, who else can be a better devotee than Hanuman? Who else can be on the, because our faith in that faith in he performs all the actions. ರಾಮನ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು, ಸೀತೆನ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರೋದು, ಇದು ಸಂಜೀವನಿ ಪರ್ವತ ಎತ್ತಿರೋದು, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ರಾಮ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಹನುಮಂತ ಮಾಡ್ದ. ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ರಾಮ್ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ, not could not do, he did not do. He just entrusted. All these are great examples for us as devotees to understand that more we dwell in that devotion, more faith we have, more trust we have. Just like Hanuman, God is not far away. And in addition to that, if we take Hanuman's support, then reaching Ram or Krishna or our Ishtadevata is not a very difficult thing. So ashtu avaru ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Then ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ next we will take later phase of Ram's life, and then end of solar dynasty. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕುಶಾಲ ಒಂದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ರಾಮ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ completes. Then we'll go to Skanda 9, chapter 13. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಿ son of Ikshvaku. That also is solar dynasty only. Janaka ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. Who Janaka is not much. Then after that, Chandravamsha, lunar dynasty, Pururavas anta ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. That they are not of such high caliber, but then from there comes Parashuram. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದು, ನಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರಾಮ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲಿ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ರಾಮಂದ ಡಿಸೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಜನಕಸ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಪುರುರವಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪರಶುರಾಮ, ಅಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, and Parshurama also is considered to be Avatara Purusha. Then we will talk about Yayati and Devayani. Those are very interesting. They are descendants of this Pururavas. There are dramas and all. I always like that. Then comes Dushyanta and Bharata. And then comes Bhishma, Kuru, Pandavas. That will complete Skanda 9. So, more sessions ಅಲ್ಲಿ we will finish Skanda 9. After this comes, ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ. ದಶಮ ಸ್ಕಂದ is entirely about Krishna avatar. So here I conclude today's session on story of Rama. ಒಂದು song ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು we can take any questions, any queries we can take after this, I think. Just in a moment. पिबरे रामरसम् पिबरे रामरसम् रसने पिबरे रामरसम् पिबरे रामरसम् रसने पिबरे रामरसम् पिबरे रामरसम् रसने दूरीकृत पातक संसर्गं पूरितनाना विधा फलवर्गं दूरीकृत पातक संसर्गं पूरितनाना विधा फलवर्गं पिबरे रामरसम् जनन मरण भय शोक विदूरं सकल शास्त्र निगमागमसारं जनन मरण भय शोक विदूरं सकल शास्त्र निगमागमसारं पिबरे रामरसम् रसने पिबरे रामरसम् पिबरे रामरसम् परिपालित सरसिजगर्भाण्डं परम पवित्रीकृत पाषाण्डं परिपालित सरसिजगर्भाण्डं परम पवित्रीकृत पाषाण्डं पिबरे रामरसम् रसने पिबरे रामरसम् पिबरे रामरसम् शुद्ध परमहंस आश्रमगीतं शुकशौनक कौशिकमुखपीतं शुद्ध परमहंस आश्रमगीतं शुकशौनक कौशिकमुखपीतं पिबरे रामरसम् रसने पिबरे रामरसम् पिबरे रामरसम् 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 कृष्णार्पणमस्तु. Was it audible? Thank you.
Very nice. Very nice.
Very nice.
Thank you. So any additions on this today's session? Raman Bagge, thank you. Indira, anything? Anything? Thank you, Kavita.
ಅದು ಒಂದು ಶ್ಲೋಕ ಪಂಚಕನ್ಯಾ ಸ್ಮರೇ ನಿತ್ಯಂ
ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ತಾರಾ ಮಂಡೋದರಿ ಅವ್ರದುನು ಹೆಸರು ಬರ್ತದೆ.
ಹೌದು.
But which Tara is she?
She's Vali's wife.
Vali's wife.
There is one more Tara, no?
One more Tara.
Chandra's wife.
Chandra's
Hiranya-
wife is also Tara.
Hiranyakashipu's wife.
Chandra's wife, huh? Chandra. Okay. Chandra's wife, I don't think. ಹೌದು ಸೋಮ, ಹೌದು. ಚಂದ್ರನ್ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಒಬ್ಬಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ, ಸೋಮ ಅಂಡ್ ಬೃಹಸ್ಪತಿ ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ತಾರಾ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಲಿಸ್ ವೈಫ್,
Vali's
ತಾರಾ
wife.
ಮಂಡೋದರಿ. ಹೌದು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇನ್ನು 3 ಮಂದಿ ಯಾರು?
Yes.
Ahilya,
Sita,
Draupadi, Sita.
ದ್ರೌಪದಿ, ಅಹಲ್ಯ.
ದ್ರೌಪದಿ.
Ahilya, Draupadi, Sita, Tara, Mandodari,
ಹಾ,
Tata.
ತಾರಾ ಮಂಡೋದರಿ.
Panchakanya Smare Nityam
ಮರೇ
Mahapatra.
ನಿತ್ಯಂ. ಹೌದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ದಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್